Desktop icons. How the app works. Learn how to activate and sort desktop icons. Full screen mode. Use all the mozaBook features even when in full screen mode.
In the following, we are going to show how to use desktop icons in mozaBook. Click on this icon to show or hide desktop icons. You can move icons by dragging. Click here to set which desktop icon should be displayed. Select desktop icons by clicking. Click here to enter full screen mode. In full screen mode, with the help of desktop icons and the side panel, you can access all functions of mozaBook. Let's see some examples. You can open the media library and insert images into mozaBook. If you wish, you can upload images into mozaWeb. Drag images over the rubbish bin icon to delete them. Click on the hotspot for the pencil case to access presentation tools. You can also access some functions via the side panel. The side panel can be accessed on both sides of mozaBook. Click on this icon to exit full screen mode. By clicking on the side panel, the icons at the bottom will be displayed on the same side. Click on this icon to reopen the most recently used window. Visit our website for further information about our apps.